I'll show you a demo on registration process. Those who have registered already, that's fine. If you're ready to register, you can go through this video once and you can parallelly register along with me. So that if you have any doubts, even you can post it in chat, we will rectify it out and we will complete the registration process. So before moving to the registration process, first of all, what is this TCS Codevita? What is this competition? What is the purpose of it? And why we are supposed to register for this, right? So we will have a small quick introduction about this TCS Codevita, and later we will move to our registration process. So most of you might know already what is this coding competition, and some of you may be new to this, right? So I'll give you a quick introduction part about this thing. What is the advantage of attending this coding competition, and how we can prepare for this? We will have a quick glance about this, and then we will move to the registration process. So first of all, this TCS Codevita, this is an online coding contest. So this is organized by TCS and it is one of the biggest coding contests organized by Tata Consultancy Services. So here we have actually 3 rounds, and based on your performance you can have the advance to the next rounds, as well as you can have winning prizes, cash prizes is there, as well as you can get an interview call from TCS. So this is the main advantages of this coding competitions, right? So if you clear a round, right, if you clear the first round, so there is a high chance of getting you the interview call from TCS directly, and once you clear the interview round, you will be getting an offer in TCS campus, right? So after clearing this round, if you get the direct call for the interview, right, you don't want to apply for any other coding contest or any other aptitude round or any other exams. So nothing will be there. Directly you will be getting an offer based on your performance on the interview round. So here you can see the top rankers will be getting the opportunity to interview with TCS for job offers, and this is actually first started in 2012. So this is the season 12 of this coding competitions. So this is all about the introduction of it. So now we will see about the process, like how many rounds are there and what are all the things in each round and everything, right? And then we will move to the registration part, like how we can register for this, right? So basically this TCS Codevita is an international level competition, so which is not only happening in India, which is happening all over the world, right? So there will be multiple zones inside India as well, right? So registration, right, there will be a option to choose your place, like which campus you are going to attend or which place you are going to take up the first round. So based on that, you will be segregated into zones, right? So say for example, if we have 3 zones in India, like zone 1 will be having this competition on one particular dates, whereas zone 2 will be in another particular dates and zone 3 will be in another time period. So it differs based on the location which you prefer while completing the registration process, right? So first we will see the types of rounds what we have in this coding competition, and then we will move to the registration part. So yeah, this is what I told you about the main advantage of participating in this coding competition. So it will get a ranking, right? You can even include your ranking in your resume, which is the highest advantage. And the top 3, like finale, like after the third round, top 3 rankers will be getting a chance to win the US dollars, which is 20,000. And participation certificates will be there for who are qualifying the first round, and a job opportunity is also there. So now we'll go through the rounds what we have in this coding competition. So basically we have 3 rounds. Round 1 is pre-qualifier round, whereas round 2 is qualifier round, and round 3 is a finale. So these are the main 3 rounds which we can see in this particular coding competitions. So first, how this pre-qualifier will be. So see, pre-qualifier round, after you complete the registration process, right? You will get every details through mail. So make sure you give your proper mail ID for that, because all the things regarding to the next round, your results, everything will be or receiving in your mail. So make sure you go with the proper mail ID which is in work. And so first round will be the pre-qualifier round. So you will get the mail regarding the date as well as the timing of it. So how it will be it will be open for 1 day of time, right? So it is you should complete it within 24 hours at your comfort time. So it is not necessary that you should take the test within this time to this time. So it is not you should take the assessment from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. So they won't provide you any timing. It is like a 24 hours open round only. So in that 24 hours, you can take in any 6 hours. So once you started logging in, so say for example, if you start at 10 a.m., automatically the test will get submitted by 4 p.m. So once you complete 6 hours, your test will get submitted. So any 6 hours you can choose based on your comfort within that 1 day of time. So say for example, the test will be open from September 8 a particular timing to 18 a particular timing to next day a particular timing. So within that 24 hours, you can take the test between like any 6 hours. Right? So within 6 hours, it will get completed. And for the 6 hours, you will be getting 6 coding questions. So I repeat, in pre-qualifier round, like you can complete it within 24 hours at your comfort timing, and it is a 6 hours online coding challenge. So once you start the test, automatically after 6 hours, your test will get submitted, and within that 6 hours, you are supposed to solve 6 coding questions, right? So once you clear this round only, you will be moved to the next round, as well as those who are clearing this round will be getting a high chances to get an interview with TCS. So you will be getting a direct call for the interview. So based on your performance in your interview round, you can get the offer in TCS. So this is all about this pre-qualifier round. And in all the 3 rounds, like it is not like what webcam and all will not be there, and you can make use of internet, you can explore, you can surf anything and you can get the code. That is completely fine. But make sure inside that test, if you have if you took help from any website or any resource, so you can paste the link over there, right? So if you paste the link over there, that is completely fine, they will accept it. But if you are not pasting any link, and if like you pretend like you did the code by your own, then you will get caught in the plagiarism check. So that is a main important thing. So you can surf anything, you can explore anything, and you can get the help from anything, and you can do it, because it is not like a full screen mode or webcams, or like it is actually they are allowing you people to explore it and you can do the code. But make sure in that references link you should mention the links from where you get the help in order to solve that particular question, right? If it is done, that is fine, they will accept it completely. But if not, if you get help from any resource, if you take the code from internet, and if you are not pasting the link over there, then you will be caught in plagiarism check, and you will be disqualified. So this is how it be. Like this is applicable for all the rounds, not only for the pre-qualifier, for all the rounds. So I repeat about round 1, it is a pre-qualifier round, and you will be having a 24 hours of time. Within that 24 hours, you can choose any 6 hours in between. So it is not like you can take a question for 2 hours, and after a break you can again start. It is not like that. Once you start the test, after 6 hours, automatically your test will get submitted. That is for sure. So make sure you plan accordingly, and you try to complete that 6 questions in 6 hours. So even if you are not able to complete all the 6 questions in 6 hours, make sure if you solve 3 or 4 questions, make sure it is correct. That is, it is passing all the test cases and it is working fine for all the edge cases. If it's so, there is a high chance of clearing that particular round. So this is all about a pre-qualifier round. So here is the round two. Yes, graduated people can take this path. Yeah. So round two is a qualifier round. So here the shortlisted students from round one, you can apply for this round two. So you will get a mail and test details again, test timing, dates, everything will be shared through the mail and you can attend round two here. Here also the same thing, the same six questions and the same 6 hours of time you can complete, but this time the question level will be difficult than round one. So say for example in round one, apart like among that six questions, if three are medium and if three are difficult, here it is a higher chance of getting five difficult and one medium. So comparatively, the level of questions will be like little bit difficult here comparing to round one. Yeah. So this is all about a qualifier round. And again, once you clear this qualifier round, you will be having the final finale. So here one other thing is this round two, round one and round two, this will be like in online mode. So round one pre-qualifier and qualifier round will be in online mode and round three is a finale round. This is an offline mode. So you will be getting an invitation to any one of the TCS campus for this round and you will be attending it. So if you are from like another country out of India, then your food, travel, accommodation, everything will be taken care by TCS. And based on this round, this is the final round, right? So after this round, the top three rankers will be getting a chance to win $1 of this 20,000. So this is like an international level competition. So like from that, top three rankers will be chosen at last. So how you can clear Codevita? So you should be strong enough in data structures and problem solving skills and good speed in writing the code because difficult level questions, six questions, completing in 6 hours is a bit challenging thing, right? So you should practice a lot many questions in order to clear it down and you should come up with a brute force and optimized solutions. Yes. So this is all about how to clear a code beta. This is like a just an introduction part. We will be having an upcoming sections on TCS code beta questions where you will get what more idea about the questions, like what type of questions you can expect and how it can be solved and all. So in the upcoming two sections, two more sections we are going to do. So in the two more webinars, we will be solving the latest thesis Codevita questions so that you will get more idea on how we can prepare and how to solve those particular questions. So now this is all about the TCS Codevita, like what is it, what are all the process, and what is the benefit and advantage from it, how many rounds are there, and what is about each round, and how you are supposed to take the test, how you are supposed to submit the test, and everything. So I hope so far everyone is clear about it, right? So if you have any doubt so far, you can ask me now. If not, we will move to the registration process. Shall we move to the registration part? So this is the registration link for this TCS Codevita competition and I hope already the registration link is shared. So I will also like drop this registration link in the chat box. You can take it later. So everyone can click on the link first. So this is how it will appear. So this is the page which you will get when you hit on this URL. So I hope everyone opened this particular web page. So codebita.tcsapps.com. So here, see, if you have already registered, you can directly log in. If you have not already registered, first make sure you log in and then you can register for it. So first you should have the credentials to log in. So by giving your email ID and password, you can log in over there. Like basic details, you can register first and then you can log in and register for this competition. So here in the top right corner, we will be able to see a icon, login or register. So you can click on it in this. So this is first, it is opening a sign in. So if I have an account already, we can directly give the mail ID password here and you can sign in over there. And if you are new to this particular platform, if you are yet to register, then click on this register over here. So now we need to select our country. So here we will be going with India. Yeah. So here you should give your first name, last name, email, as well as the username. So you can give any name randomly and last name. Then you should give your email ID here. And see, here it is given, right? First name policy. Policy, it is 2 to 255 characters and only alphabet should be there. And last name is also again same, 2 to 255 characters, only alphabets, and you can give a dot if needed. So, see, some people will be giving initial over here. It is not accepted. Say, for example, if I am giving S. So, after giving S, see, it is red colored marked. And if we try to register, I will not be able to register because it is not based on the policy. So, I am giving my father's name over here because actually my name is Adira and S is my initial. So I'm not giving my initial in my last name. So some might be giving your initial in last name. So it is not, it will not take into account over here. So based on the policy, it should have a minimum of 2 characters. So based on that, you can give. So even if you give your father's name, that is also completely fine. And you will be giving your email ID, and for username, minimum 4 characters should be there. So 4 to 20 characters, alphanumeric characters, and underscore is also applicable. So I'm just giving underscore and I'm just giving a username. So just as it. After this, I can make the tick mark. And this is the terms and conditions. So you can read all these terms and conditions because here you will be getting a clear idea on what the terms and conditions of this contest. So you can read all these instructions once and finally you can accept it. So after logging into this particular URL, click on login or register, where you will be able to see an option called register now. Click on register now. First you can select your country and then you can fill your basic details like first name, last name, email and username. So once it is done, put a tick mark on the checkbox and read the terms and conditions and accept it. Finally, you can click on this register. Yeah. So now you will be getting a page like this. So we need to verify our email address. So for that, let me check my email ID here. Yeah, I got the mail. So the mail ID which you gave, right? In that same, you will be getting this mail. So like this, you will be getting a mail. Dear participant, thank you for registering with TCS Codevita Season 12. We wish you all the best for the season. And here you can see, request you to verify your email address by clicking on the below link. So this will be active for 10 hours only. So make sure you do it out or before 10 hours. So you can click on this. Yeah. Now, this is a page it will open. So where in your mobile, you can actually install this app, Microsoft Authenticator. So everyone can install this. So just you can go to your Play Store and give Microsoft Authenticator. It will get installed. And after that, after installing, you can open that application and scan the barcode given here. So I am scanning it here. So once I scan it, I'll be getting a one-time code. See, once you scan it in your mobile, you will be able to see an option TCS Codevita S12 with your username. Like I have given Adi underscore Bahulen, right? So I'll be getting that in my mobile, like TCS Codevita season 12 Adi underscore Bahulen. So once I give it, I'll be getting the passcode. So within some seconds, you should submit it. Yeah. So once I submit it, once I submit my one-time password, I'll be getting the profile completion screen. So this is my profile completion screen. So far, is everyone clear with it? Any doubts? Any doubts so far? So I repeat, people, first you should register by giving your first name, last name, email ID and username. So once you register, you will get a mail where you should verify your email ID. So for verifying that, you can click on that link. So once you click on that link, you can install Authenticator in your mobile for scanning the barcode. And after installation, once you scan the barcode, a one-time password will be generated in that application itself with your username, and it will be mentioned like TCS Codevita season 12. So in that, like once you scan the barcode, you will be getting a one-time password in your mobile. So you can give that one-time password there. So once you give that one-time password, it will redirect you to this particular page, profile completion deadline. So here you can give your informations. So you can choose your year of graduations. And you can choose the location over here. So which location which is okay for you, you can choose that location. And here you can give the institute name. And now this is the next process. No, it won't show invalid code. Make sure you give it within that particular seconds. So some time period is there, right? Maybe if it is exceeding the time limit, it might show invalid. So some 10 seconds or 12 seconds are there, means make sure you give it within that time limit. Then it will work. If not, try it again. Obviously, you will be able to do it out. So here, you should fill this field. This is a reference ID. So in order to create this reference ID, like if you are leaving it as right, you will not get interview call even if you clear the route. That is a problem. So you should have this reference ID. For that, click on this TCS NextStep. And here you can give on login. You can choose IT. So here is a verification mail. So I am giving the same mail which I gave there. and you can give get OTP. So in the mail, we will be getting the OTP. Yeah. So please note that the OTP is valid for only one section. Yeah, this is my OTP or LD3CM. So I won't be able to copy paste it out. So I should type it manually over here. RLD3NCM. So after giving the OTP, you can submit it. Yeah. So here you should give the Aadhaar card details, first name, date of birth, and then you can proceed. So why we are doing this is in order to get that reference ID. For that, we should fill all these things. So I'm giving my last four digits, and here you can give the first name, last name, and date of birth. Like you can give it correctly. And you can agree to this, proceed. So then you should fill this part. Qualification. So I'm choosing randomly. Make sure you do it properly. Make sure you give your correct details. So D, V, K, P and I. And I'm submitting it. Yeah. So just confirm your mail ID and your number because you will be receiving all the details over here. Now I got a reference ID, right? Now this is a reference ID. So we should copy this reference ID and I'll be pasting it here. Then you can save it. One second. Okay, let me give continue. Okay, again I'll be getting a mail. YKOUBJ0. YKOUBJ0. Maybe. Yeah. So now this is done. I got my reference ID. So this is how I'll be getting the reference ID. So for getting the reference ID, you can click on this TCS NextStep. So after clicking on this, so since I did already, it is not like working. So after clicking on this TCS NextStep, give login, choose IT, and you can give your details, Aadhaar name, first name, everything, and you can submit it. Your mobile number, like all the details, what is being asked, year of graduation, everything, your college, institute name, everything, and then you can submit it. So once you submit it, you will be receiving this reference ID. So even, yeah, you will get the mail as well. So here you can see. So you have successfully registered on the NextStep portal. Your reference ID is this, right? Yeah. So we got the reference ID. So with that, we can complete the profile. Okay. So since I have registered it already, I'm not able to what again send the OTP to my number. So what you can do is what you can give your contact number here, and you can click on the send OTP so that you will be getting the OTP. So after that, you can complete your profile. Yeah. Now, if I click on this contest, here you can see. So what is the guidelines? So you can see everything over here. As we gear up for the contest, please follow below the points in order to prioritize, optimize time and have a smooth start. So we'll be having 6 hours to complete all the problems. Okay, so once you click on the start contest button, it will start taking the time. So you can submit the solutions as many supported language. So this many languages is there, and yeah, so you can read all these things and finally you can give the check mark and you can start the contest. So here you can see the eligibility criteria. So current graduation or post-graduation students who are studying in any stream of science or engineering, expecting to complete their course in the year of 2025 or 2028. So from any recognized institute across the globe. And here you can see the information about the zones. Right, so this everything you will be getting it. So first one, mock vita will be there for all the regions. It is from 18th to 19th October, and two mock vitas will be conducted. So one on 18 and 19 October and other on 5th and 6th November. So you can see the timeline, right? It is a 24 hours of timeline. In between that, 6 hours you can take. This is like a mock session before the code vita. And then round 1, that is on 15 and 16. Round 1 for zone 2, it is on 29 and 30. So based on the location which you choose, right, you will be segregated into two zones. And for round 2 qualifier, it will be on 10th and 11th January. And final round and finale, like it is to be decided. So this is all about the zone informations. So people, you can do it now and let me know if you have any doubts. So we will clear it out and we will try to complete the registration process here itself. Okay. So this is the profile thing, right? And this is opened. So which is having the reference ID. So here if you see, yeah, start filling the form. Now here you need to complete filling the form. So first personal details will be there. So nearest to TCS office and your personal details, your name, father's name, date of birth and address, everything. So let me try it. So if alternate email ID is there, you can give and you can save and continue. So on my left. Yeah. So after you complete your personal details, you will be getting the academic and work experience details. So where you can give your highest qualification, graduate, 12th grade, uh, 10th grade, and any other qualification, work experience, and declaration form. So once it is done, then you will be having that other details. So in this other details, nationality, the languages which you know. And finally, application form preview and declaration. So you can read it and give yes or no. Finally, if you want to check your application form, you can check it once and then you can give agree and you can submit your application form. After filling all the details. See, once you submit, I'll show you, you will be getting a mail after the submission, that final mail that I'll show you. Once again. Yeah, okay, fine. So this is a final mail. So you'll be completing the form and you will submit it. So in that application form, right, when you fill it, you should upload your CV. So this should be the format and upload your photograph. So either it should be a .jpg or a GIF file and all. Maximum size is also mentioned. So give all the things over here and then finally you can submit the application form. So once you finally submit the application form, right, your profile completion will be 100%. So this is how you will be registering for this TCS Codevita competition. See, I repeat people, first make sure you click on this URL and here it is already logged in. So if you are not logged in, if you are new to this, first you can register. So after registering, you will be getting a mail. So after registering, you will be getting a mail. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is the first mail you will be getting. So first you should verify your email. So in order to verify your email, you can install Authenticator app in your mobile and scan the barcode so that one-time password will be generated. You can give the one-time password so that your mail will get verified. After verifying the mail, yeah, so we should generate that reference ID. So for generating that reference ID, you can click on this TCS NextStep. So when you click on this TCS NextStep, you will be getting the, like, you will be asked to fill the details, and after filling the details, you will getting the one-time password. So where you can give the one-time password and complete the registration process. So verification will be done. So after this verification is done, you will get that ID, that reference ID. So you can give your reference ID over here. Make sure you are giving this reference ID because it is clearly mentioned if it is left empty, you will not get an interview call even if you clear the round one. So make sure you give your reference ID, then you save it and then you can complete the form filling process, and after filling the entire form, you can click on submit the application form. So once you click on submission, like your profile completion will be like 100% and it is completely done. So this is all about the registration process of TCS Codevita. So if you have any queries so far here, you can ask me now. We will sort it out. You can drop in the chat box. We'll clear it out. If you have already registered and if you got a reference ID, that is completely fine. You can leave it. So once you get the reference ID, right, you are yet to fill this application form alone. So once you fill this application form, you can submit it. That is completely done. See, for logging in authenticator app, but it is not working. So what you can do is you can try reinstalling the app again and scan the barcode again and check. So once you give the mail ID once, you will not be able to give that mail ID again, right? So you can create a new mail ID and you can check it with your new one, because it will work. I already did, like I showed you, and already I have tried it with my another two mail IDs as well. So I was able to do it. So make sure you reinstall the app and what again install it, and then you can check, scan the barcode and check. Yes, current graduate or postgraduate students. So year of passing everything, they have given the eligibility criteria. So you can go through the eligibility criteria once, and if you are eligible, if you feel like you are eligible for that, you can continue proceeding with this. So eligibility criteria is clearly given in this page. So here it is given. Any other doubts? Yeah, coding part is enough to shortlist. Only coding questions are there. So I hope all your queries are getting clear. Yes, people. That is all about the registration process, and we will also have our upcoming sections on question solving part. So where we will be solving the most recent thesis Codevita questions. So we will get an idea on how to work on it and how to prepare for the same. So all the very best for this particular contest, and make sure everyone is registering it. Once you have done, that is fine. So those who have not done the registration process so far, make sure you complete the registration process. And if you have any doubts, you can go through the video one so that you will get a clear idea on how to register it. Yeah, link will be given in the description box. You can take it forward for the registration process. See, TCS NQT, that's different, where we will be having both aptitude as well as coding. So in part A, we will be having quants logical verbal, and in part B, we will be having advanced to quants, advanced logical, and advanced to coding part. So that is different and this is different. Yes. Thank you all.